Welcome to your Galatea Memento app tutorial. This is the Galatea Memento main menu. From here you can play back previous saved media or create and save new memories to your Memento NFC enabled product. To play back saved media, tap the Read button and scan your gem. Each phone places its NFC reader in a different location. On the iPhone, you will find it here. On the Android, it can be in a different place depending on the manufacturer and will need to be located the first time by tapping different spots on the back of the phone. Note that some phones may be harder to find than others based on brand. Now, back to the home screen. You can record audio messages or access audio files, add pictures and video, save written messages or PDFs, or save website URLs for instant playback later. For example, to record an audio message, touch the microphone icon. Tap Record to start your audio message,
I love you.
and then stop when you're finished recording. Name your recording and tap Save. The app will cue you to tap your phone to the Memento gem to complete your save. To find your recordings, select My Gems. Here's where you can manage all your different products, recordings, pictures, and text saves. The yellow star indicates which items will play back when you tap your phone. Here you can select Play to preview your item, select Edit to change the name of your file, or delete the save. You can also move your recording into any order of your choosing for playback. Multiple products with different recordings may be managed from here. You can even move recordings from one product to another. Should you be in an area where signal is down, the recording will store in pending till you are in range again. The Galatea app has robust sharing options. If another user has a Galatea Memento app, they can scan your product to play back your items from their public folder. To opt out of this type of sharing, you can lock the product from the My Gems menu so that it can no longer be scanned. When previewing a saved media file, there are two sharing options. The first is a standard share button under the media file. Media can be emailed, text messaged, posted to social, etc. The other way is to use the Save to Gem option. This will allow you to save your file directly to another user's Memento gem. Tapping on the three edit dots will allow you to edit the name or delete the gem. The Share with Another User function allows you to email and invite one other person to create an exclusive place for you both to upload items. A person can upload a love note in New York to be immediately stored on a gem in California. It's like a secret locket between you and someone you care about. Note only the yellow starred items will be shared. Holding down the tag name will open the Copy to Tag function. This will allow you to make clones of your gem to multiple products without adding the gems to your menu. This is perfect for gift giving and is a creative way to share memories with others. This concludes your tutorial. Please enjoy your Galatea Memento product.